Welcome to the Equipment as a Service session at Hannover Messe 2021. First, let me show you how times are changing. We all see that around us, our way of consuming has changed and is still changing every day. As individuals, our behavior and desire have changed. We adapted to the time and technology available. This is also the case for the way of making business and creating values for our customer. Now time is for leasing and not buying product. The world is moving from product selling to experience selling. There is an important difference between these two business models. Whereas the focus before was on producing cheaply and fast, the future is focusing on building sustainable products, which requires us to consider the entire life cycle. This is why service topics are important. We need to assure that our products are running as long as possible, because every non-running minute is a non-paid minute. As you may have seen in the executive summary session yesterday about equipment as a service, times are changing. Product is shifting towards product as a service. Product sales is shifting toward experience sales. After sales to continuous sales, paid by units, paid by outcome, and then our ownership to usership. Today, in 2021, we are at a turning point. We are in a mixed state, mix of traditional sales and a new way of selling. Therefore, we need to make the transition between these two states. Dassault Systèmes has several solutions to make this possible, and today we are going to see through a short demo how this is possible. I guess we all had the problem with an elevator in our life, either at home, the work, or even at the doctor. As an example, in my building, last time, the elevator was out of service and it took 3 days to fix it. It was probably because the first claim has to be notified, taken into account, and technicians needed to find the right solution to implement. So let us go deeper on different topics that will be presented by my colleagues and I. To give you some context, we are focusing on the work on an elevator manufacturer. The first part is about how can we know that there is a problem on that specific elevator. My colleague Isabelle will explain how to leverage customer data feedback and collect data through a call center in order to reduce equipment downtime. In the same way, we will see how to get all information about the specific elevator to be able to take correct decision and fix the problem quickly through an install-based cockpit, therefore increasing efficiency of field execution. One of the decisions taken will be to perform a modernization. Simon will show you how it is possible to identify sales opportunity and manage the evolution of the field equipment on the virtual twin. After that, we will see how to prepare the execution of this new module. But first, I will let you with Isabelle for the first part.
Thanks, Amel, for this introduction. Now, let us go deeper in the story with the first part, which will answer to this question. How can we capture information from the field to have a complete view of what is going on at our customer sites? We will follow the work of a customer service manager who will track some maintenance performed at the company site. Indeed, the 3D Experience platform provides data science capabilities to help improving the installed equipment availability, reducing manufacturing or installed equipment downtime, improving asset reliability and first-pass yield, and improving supply chain efficiency and availability. This is possible because with the 3D Experience platform, we can collect data, first from the platform itself, but most importantly, from other sources, like the ERP, MES, CRM, and many others. Indexing data from these multiple sources will allow our customers to describe their entire operations on the platform, with valuable KPIs that help to take better decisions faster. So, our building equipment manufacturer, Skylift Industries, designs, assembles, and maintains many different traveling equipment worldwide for builders, building owners, and architects. Here, we are with the customer service manager in charge of the Midwest elevator install base. All the information about the customers are indexed from the external database where they are originally stored, for example, CRM or ERP, inside the platform and aggregated in KPIs. Here we detect a sudden peak in the number of incoming calls, which means a problem must have happened. Consequently, the customer service manager needs to investigate. She retrieves information about the calls from Bluefield company, and she has access to all the data about the customer, including which type of maintenance contract he has. That is important in order to determine which kind of service we can offer him. So, she has access to the full event traceability, including the follow-up of a technician intervention on site to perform a maintenance on the elevator doors pulleys, with the equipment number and the serial number of the impacted part. So, this first part highlighted how the 3D Experience platform can help a customer service manager to easily find information about customers and follow up events and maintenance, which can increase customer satisfaction up to 20%. Now that the customer service manager knows that the problem occurred at the customer site, she wants to know a little bit more about the problem itself and the impacted equipment. We will see that with multi-source data indexation and contextualization on the 3D virtual twin, the customer service manager can easily manage her install base. She can also find information related to a specific equipment and understand what happened. Because every data is stored through the platform, it can be analyzed to predict behavior and prescribe events thanks to machine learning. Indeed, managing an install base is often dealing with many data. We saw earlier that it's easy to gather different information from different sources, but this information is of little value if it's not linked together and to the 3D virtual twin. So, the 3D Experience platform offers the possibility to gather every information on the virtual twin, to enrich it, and to create a full view of the as-maintained twin. So, we are back with our customer service manager that now needs to understand more about the impacted equipment itself. This cockpit gives her a full view of the install base and can be filtered to find the specific elevator with the geographical information indexed from the theorem that she has found before. She gets the equipment number and she has access to all the information related to the installed equipment itself, coming from different sources and aggregated in one single dashboard, such as technical information, history of the events, past or future and planned maintenance, and also IoT data, such as running hours or electrical consumptions. This helps understanding the context of the equipment, along with the 3D virtual twin of the elevator. So directly in the 3D, we can visualize the past and ongoing issue that happens to that equipment. The issue raised from the field is located on the impacted part, so it's easy to track any modification on the as-maintained equipment. The technician also entered the description of the issue, and the customer service manager is going to check it to understand how often it has happened. Indeed, all the information is gathered in one platform. So all the past issues from all the install base are stored and can be analyzed with semantic algorithms to sort them by impacted modules and elevator models. So we can find the issue on the pulley belt raised by the technician on site. And thanks to semantic similarity algorithms, we retrieve similar incidents that happened in the past. We can then compare them and have access to various analytics in order to understand the context. And most importantly, how they have been resolved, in order to quickly find a solution for the ongoing events and directly send this recommendation to the correct person. With the help of the contextualization and the analysis of previous incidents, it's easy to reduce equipment downtime with faster claim resolution. And now my colleague Simon is going to show you how the 3D Experience platform can help reveal a sales opportunity.
Thank you, Isabelle, for your explanation. So now, with me, we are going to talk about modernization. When I say modernization, I'm referring to the capability to identify new sales opportunities on the customer installation and implement them with an efficient way. This part of demonstration is intended to demonstrate how the 3D Experience platform, thanks to the virtual twin of an installed equipment, allows us to identify, implement, and track the modernization of the customer installation. In this sense, we are a sales engineer, and directly in the web interface, we have a dedicated view to manage a virtual twin of the installed elevator, in our case. We are able to visualize the list of components, such as cabin, engine, opening door system, used in the installed equipment on the field. And from this virtual structure, we can identify or detect modernization opportunities that we can provide to our customers based on the new product innovation in the company. Thanks to the change process, we are able to implement, track and validate all modifications performed for the modernization. In our case, we are going to replace the current revision of the opening door system used in the installed equipment by the new revision which has been developed by the engineering department. So we have a strong connection between the last engineering innovation of the components available in the platform and the install base in order to propose and perform new modernization on the customer installations. We define all information for the change environment and promote the change to start the work by changing the maturity. After defining the change context, the cell engineer can start the work under change control by activating the change action. So now, as I said, all modifications done will be captured in the change process. As you can see, we are able to update easily and quickly the virtual twin by replacing automatically the old revision of the opening door system by the new revision, revision B, by the new revision C in the virtual structures. All modifications have been recorded in the change, so at any time we can visualize and check the set of modifications which have been done in the context of the customer modernization. Which element has been replaced by another run. All modifications are tracked in the change action. To approve the modernization, we start the validation process through the change tool. In fact, with the change, we have a full traceability of the performed modification on the installed elevator of the customers. The change is completed. After doing the modernization, I would like to show you how we can track the evolution of the installed equipment through the time in function of the different modifications. To do that, we use a filtering concept to display only the component used at the specific date of the evolution of the elevators. In this way, we have always a real view of what is installed on the field, and in order to identify new sales opportunities that we can propose to the customer installation and facilitate the modernization by anticipating the change with the virtual data. As you can see, the virtual twin is filtered to display only the structure corresponding to the installation on the field at the specific date. So the sales engineers has a precise view of what is installed on the field and make the right decision earliest in the modernization process. Because we have a virtual twin evolving through the time, we are able to visualize at any time the components installed on the field for the customer installation, and so anticipate new modernizations that we can propose to the customers to win the new sales opportunities. Thank you for your attention. Now I let the lead to my colleague Amel to talk about design for service.
Thank you, Simon. Now we are going to move on the last part of the demo. We are going to update all the service information resulting from this modernization. So we are here as a service engineer, and we will see how we were able to reduce physical prototyping due to the verification we can make on the virtual twin. The service engineer will implement the modifications by editing in an easy way the service structure and changing the value corresponding to the new assembly model. Different types of belt, depending on the country, for instance, can be linked to the structure. So now our structure is ready. We need to make sure that the installation will be well executed, so we need to update our maintenance process and assign parts and resources to perform service activities. The process will be sequenced and time is set for each step to make sure that we can simulate in the right condition. The steps are important to validate that we are planning will correspond to the reality of the shop floor. Through the 3D Experience platform, we have the capability to access to the customer virtual twins, but also the time planning that we need to respect. It's quite easy to launch a simulation to assure the maintainability and the execution of the installation of our new model. This is one of the values of adopting this way of working. We do not need to create physical prototype to make sure that decisions we take are right. We have the time information, physical, and resource constraint taken into account on the same view. So now the simulation is validated. We need to ensure effective execution in the field. The installation instruction can be easily created since all the information needed are stored in the same place. This is a way to avoid any incidents in the field due to the bad training. Ensuring the maintainability is feasible is a key to guarantee that the product will run as long as possible. One key value of the 3D Experience platform is the availability of all information during the lifetime of the product. This makes the creation of any kind of documentation possible, and thanks to a full digital continuity, we can accelerate the creation and the updating of technical documentation. By decreasing the downtime of your equipment, you will be competitive on the market by having the best running time score. We see that we were able to follow the whole life of an installed equipment, from being able to track and resolve an incident to the upgrade of the equipment with the latest product release and the service information updates. The entire process was performed easily and quickly to avoid any excessive downtime without creating a physical prototype and making sure that the maintenance will be executed. The other important value is that during the process, the 3D Experience platform helps you to reveal sales opportunities that were not reachable before. Now you are ready to transform your business model to equipment as a service model. Thank you for being here. I hope we talk soon.